In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious mushroom pate. This recipe can be found in my book, The Complete Guide to Foraging. For this recipe, you'll need 300 grams of mushrooms. You can use filled mushrooms. I'm using fairy ring champignons because these are an excellent mushroom for pate. Or if you want, you can just use shop bought mushrooms. You'll also need 50 grams of walnuts, 1 shallot, a clove of garlic, 150 ml red wine, a teaspoon of miso paste, salt and pepper, and some tarragon. The shop had actually run out of tarragon, so I'm using dill instead because it's got a similar flavour, but tarragon is much better. You'll also need a knob of butter, or you can use a plant-based spread if you want to keep this vegan. Put a frying pan over a high heat with a small dash of oil. If you're using larger mushrooms like filled mushrooms, then slice them. I'm just going to put these in whole because they're quite small. Add in your sliced shallot and garlic and a teaspoon of miso paste and give it a good stir. Cook this out roughly 7 or 8 minutes, stirring frequently. You'll find as you're cooking it, the mushrooms will release water. That's been 7 minutes, and now I'm going to add in 150 ml of red wine and also 150 ml of water, and cook that out for a further 5 minutes. And while that's reducing, put another pan on the stove over a medium-high heat, and you want to toast your walnuts in there. You want that to be a dry pan, so no oil, and just lightly toast them and make sure they don't stick or burn. Those walnuts are nicely toasted now, so I'll take those off the heat. And then to the mushroom mix, I'm going to add in the tarragon, well, dill in this case, and the butter. Give that a quick stir. And then we can take that off of the heat. You still want a bit of liquid left, like that. That smells amazing. I'm going to add in a couple of pinches of sea salt and some black pepper. And then we'll just leave this to cool down a bit. And now we're going to put that mushroom mixture into a blender jug. And put the walnuts into. And then we're going to blend this until it's completely smooth. You may need to add in a little bit of extra water though. And here you can see, got a nice smooth consistency. So just give your pate a quick taste. So that just needs another little pinch of salt. and then put your pate into a jar. And then just pop it in the fridge for a few hours to set. It's got a really deep, rich flavour, and it works really well with some pickles.